Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I've been working on a really big project during my winter break, and I wanted to share that with y'all and give y'all a little demonstration of how I did it. Okay, let's get a look here. Let me back up. There we go. Okay, so I know that all of y'all have seen one of these Cubbies. You can get them at Walmart, Target, order them on Amazon, and they come without drawers, okay? They're just white square cubbies. So I've had this for a couple years, and I had a bunch of mismatched containers, a bunch of plastic containers, stuff just shoved in, and it just looked messy. Ain't no other word for it. It looked messy. And, you know, my craft area is supposed to be my calm place, my inspiring place, a place I look forward to going to and getting inspiration from, and it just was not. So, what did I do? I bought some 11 by 11 because that's how big I measured the cubby inside and out. And I bought some 11 by 11 cardboard boxes because I thought to myself, you know, what if I get down the road and I decide that I want to change the look? Buy cardboard boxes. You can buy the plastic crates that are 11 by 11 also, and you can use those, but I wanted to go with cardboard so that I could easily switch out the look down the road. So I bought those. I cut the top flaps off the boxes so that they would just slide in. Now, if you look closely, my cuts are not perfect. I used a box cutter, a razor box cutter to cut the tops off. They're not perfect. They're absolutely not. And that's okay. I still think it's absolutely beautiful. And then I used Ooh La La Vintage Treasures Ruffle and Roses kit. And y'all, just have a look. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I used that kit and I collaged every single box. And then I ordered these drawer pulls off of eBay. Here we go. These drawer pulls. I'm having looked at my camera here. And how did I do the drawer pulls? I'm just going to show y'all this real quick so we don't have to come back to it because I'm short drawer pulls. I need to buy a couple more. These two are not going to have them today, but they will soon. So to get the drawer pull to work, we had to cut a couple of pieces of rubber that we had. So about a 3/4 inch piece here, and drill a hole in the middle, and then put the screw full in order for the pull to stay flush to the box and to be useful and to not hang there. I hope you understand what I meant by that. But I now think, you know, I'm just inspired by this piece, and I think it's gorgeous. And y'all, the stuff I have on, it just all flows together. It's just beautiful. And I'm going to give y'all a demonstration on this box on how I collaged it. It's just simple collaging with the Ruffle and Roses kit. So y'all stay tuned, and I will show y'all that in just a second. Okay, so what do you need to collage a box? I really recommend printing without borders so that you do not have to do any cutting. But if yours has borders, you're going to want to cut the ends off, and you're going to end up doing more collaging. And a few of those I did do that way. Like up in here, you can see that I've got some extra collaging. But anyway, let's see what we got here. So you're going to take your Ruffle and Roses, print it out. I just got a regular glue stick here, nothing fancy, because again, I'm sure that I'm going to change this out at some point. It doesn't need to be perfect or anything like that, but if you do want this to be more perfect, I recommend you know, Barely Art or glitter glue or something like that will give you more permanence, a better grip. I'm just trying to make sure that I have it where I want it. Almost. There we go. Okay. Y'all can see, not perfect. Little tiny bit of box showing over here. That's totally fine. All right, so for this one, I'm going to tear right there. You didn't get me any. Huh? Talking to my husband. He's holding the camera for me, y'all. I am using Vintage Photo Distress ink for these edges, just to give it a little bit of a vintagey feel. I'm actually here at the end of this glue stick, so I'm glad this is my last one. I've got more glue sticks, but I don't want to have to go get one right now. All right, hopefully that will work. Yeah, okay. And there we have our box. Now I showed y'all earlier in the video how to attach the drawer pulls. So we put the drawer pull right here. Now something I was thinking about, and y'all let me know what you think. So Doreen of Ooh La La Vintage Treasures has all of these labels. She has pages full of beautiful labels, and I was thinking about printing out some of them and maybe getting some making some tabs, distressing some brass or gold tabs to put around it, and maybe labeling each drawer to make it easier to know what is in every one of the drawers, because now I can't see and I forget what I put in there even though I have it organized. Okay, one last thing that I'm considering is maybe embellishing my drawers. I don't know yet, but I think it would be fun. And all I'd have to do is put just a dab of glue, just a touch, maybe in 3 different places, you know, to add some embellishments, some pretties, and they would easily come off, so it's not like, you know, they'd be ruined once I decided to change things out. I don't know, and I may just put it on just a few, maybe not every one. Not sure yet. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Anyway, I hope that this has inspired y'all to do some organizing and make something pretty. I hope that y'all enjoyed watching, and thank y'all for watching. Until next time.